Hello there, I'm back. I'm ready to mix my ingredients for my ampalaya salad. So this is the ampalaya already that I sliced and removed the seeds. And this is my ripe mango. The thing is, I forgot to get the tomato yesterday when I went to the market. And I have vinegar with brown sugar. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in the ampalaya of the vinegar to control the sourness before I mix them together. If you like vegetable, you can appreciate this kind of food. So this is what I'm bringing today. This afternoon, I mean at 4 to the birthday we're going to in Temple. So this is okay now. I put this ampalaya already got a little salt that I put it earlier. So I'm gonna mix this mango in it. The mango is very sweet. It's look better if I have the tomato. I don't have time to go back to the market. There's still a kick in my throat with the vinegar. So the seniors gonna have this tonight. I'm sure they're gonna enjoy it. Because they like vegetables. Okay, let's taste. It's simple like that. Very simple. It's really good. Very good. So I'm just gonna add a little bit vinegar, just a little. This is good. You match it with fried fish or fried chicken. I don't have a lot, but it's gonna be okay. So healthy food again for today. Finished product. Very simple and healthy. And this is my leftover fruit cake that I did yesterday. The watermelon is very sweet. Okay, bye for now. God bless everyone. God bless us all.